In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Buffer preferences and keep your posting streaks going. Let's start by opening Buffer. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is your gateway to the settings that control how Buffer behaves for your account. From there, select Settings and then click on Preferences. Think of this area as your control center for the basics that shape your publishing experience. Inside Preferences, take a moment to review your time zone. This setting determines exactly when your scheduled posts go live, so it needs to match where you or your primary audience are located. If your time zone is off, even by an hour, your carefully planned schedule can slip, especially around daylight savings changes or travel. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in consistency and accuracy. Next, check your start of week setting. This decides how your calendar and queue are laid out inside Buffer. If your week starts on Monday, for example, your schedule will visually reset that day, making it easier to plan content across workdays. If you prefer starting on Sunday, switch it so your calendar matches how you actually plan. Aligning this view with how you think about your week makes scheduling more intuitive and reduces planning mistakes. When you're done reviewing those preferences, return to your publishing dashboard. This is where you'll map out your content for the week. Schedule posts consistently throughout the week so your audience knows when to expect new updates. Aim for a rhythm that's sustainable, whether that's once a day or a few times per week. Consistency matters more than intensity, so build a pattern you can keep up. If your audience is in multiple time zones, consider spacing posts to catch different peak periods while keeping your overall cadence steady. Keep posting regularly to maintain your posting streaks. Streaks are a helpful motivator and a simple way to track your reliability. To make this easier, batch create a few posts ahead of time and slot them into your queue. If inspiration strikes, add it right away so future days stay covered. A little preparation goes a long way toward keeping that streak alive. Finally, monitor your streak progress inside Buffer. Look for the streak indicator on your dashboard, which shows how many consecutive days you've published. Use it as a quick pulse check on your consistency. If you see a gap coming, top up your queue so the streak continues smoothly. With your preferences set and a steady schedule, you'll stay on track and keep your audience engaged.